Hello student. In last video we already started chapter 1, some basic concept of chemistry. In that video we already discussed few basic terms like atom, matter and element. After that we discussed applications of chemistry. After that we also discussed 1 to 20 elements from periodic table. Now in this video we will discuss nature of matter and classification of matter. We all are aware with the term matter means anything that occupies space and that has mass. Further, solid is classified into three types based on their physical state that we all are knowing, that is solid, liquid and gas. Now we will discuss few properties of all the three solid, liquid and gaseous state. First, volume. Now volume is fixed for a solid, it is also fixed for a liquid, but it is not fixed for gaseous state. Second property is shape. Shape is fixed for a solid, but shape is not fixed for liquid and gas. Third property, that is attraction force. Attraction force is a very strong in solid while it is weak in a weak liquid, and it is very weak in case of gaseous molecule. Due to presence of a very strong attraction force in a solid are not affected by pressure, while attraction force in gas is a very weak, so it is affected by pressure. Example, in case of solid that we can take ice or iron block. In case of liquid we take water in liquid state, and gas O2 gas, H2 gas, etc. Now all these three states are changed with the changing in conditions like temperature and pressure. Solid on heating it's converting into liquid, and liquid on heating that converting into gas. Gas on cooling is converting into liquid, and further liquid that on a cooling it's converting into solid. Solid is converting into liquid, it is also called as a melting, while liquid is converting into solid, it's called as a freezing. Now classification of matter. Matter is classified into two types, pure substance and a mixture, in which pure substance that further classified into two types, that is element and compound, while mixture further classified into two subtypes, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. We will discuss one by one. Pure substance. Pure substance is the compound that contain only one type of material, also that possess fixed composition, and pure substance that cannot be separated by physical method, for example filtration. Few examples of pure substance are pure copper, silver and gold metal. Now in pure substance two subtypes are there, element and compound. Element is a matter which consists only one kind of atom, while compound is a matter which consists more than one kind of atom. Element are pure substance, while compound are impure substance. In element, smallest particle is atom, while in case of compound, smallest particle is molecule. Now mixture is further classified into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Here homo means same while hetero means different. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture possesses uniform compositions throughout the mixture, while heterogeneous mixture that do not possess uniform composition. Homogeneous mixture that cannot be separated by physical method like filtration, crystallization or distillation, while heterogeneous mixture that can be separated by physical method. In case of homogeneous mixture, few examples are there, that is mixture of salt and water, or second example mixture of sugar and water. Example of heterogeneous mixture, sulfur and iron powder. Also we take one more example, that is mixture of kerosene and water. when two or more than two atoms of a different element combine, then it forms molecule of a compound. For example, when hydrogen atom is combined with another hydrogen atom, then it forms H2 molecule. And further, that H2 molecule is combined with oxygen atom, then it forms H2O compound. Few another examples are there, that is ammonia means NH3, carbon dioxide means CO2. Thank you.